Welcome back to Eye Opener, and today on Mythbusters series, we will be exploring Money Myths Mangled, where we dive deep into the world of finance to bring you the truth behind the numbers. Today, we're busting some of the biggest financial myths out there with the help of top financial advisors and economists. Have you ever been told that you should pay off all your debt before even thinking about investing? Or that financial planning is a luxury only the rich can afford? Well, it's time to separate fact from fiction. Let's kick things off with investing myths. Many believe that you should be completely debt-free before you start investing. But here's the twist. Experts suggest a balanced approach. If your loan interest rates are lower than the potential returns from investments, you might be missing out on valuable growth.
It's all about the numbers. If you can invest at a 7% return rate, but your debt is only costing you 3%, you're effectively earning on the difference.
Moving on to financial planning. It's a common misconception that financial advice is reserved for the wealthy. But guess what? Financial planning is for everyone. Starting early can make a huge difference, and it's never too late to begin.
I've worked with clients from all walks of life. The key is to start where you are with what you have. Everyone can benefit from a solid financial plan.
Lastly, let's talk about money management. Some say pensions are a surefire way to lose money, but the data tells a different story. Pensions, when managed correctly, can be a cornerstone of your retirement plan. It's about playing the long game. We've covered a lot today, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Remember, don't take myths at face value. Do your research, and when in doubt, consult a professional. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you encountered any financial myths? Let's discuss.